Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you are into camping and survival, you are in the right place. We are a YouTube channel dedicated to reviewing the best gear available and helping you be prepared for any situation and to help you get even more prepared. Additional product details can be found at the links I've provided below. So without further ado, let's get started.
Unboxing. We have user manual, tongs, cable, pair of gloves, crucible, the machine itself. This is the furnace. The furnace itself consists of two parts, the furnace and the temperature control box. If you open the lid, you will see the ceramic core. Inside the ceramic core, you can put the graphite crucible. The temperature control box has a turn and off switch and the temperature control display. On this display there are two kinds of temperature. Top temperature is the real-time temperature and the bottom temperature is the target temperature. You can adjust target temperature by pressing red button and holding it for 3 seconds. After that, you can change and adjust temperature by using these 3 green buttons. Use the move button to change the number and use the up and down buttons to adjust temperature. Do not forget to use gloves when operating the furnace. Do not operate furnace in a closed room. Use it in an open space and make sure it's well ventilated. Do not forget the fire extinguisher, as the furnace gets very hot. Please operate the furnace in open and well ventilated rooms. Do not forget to keep the fire
Propane tank for barbecue grills. Preferably a long end lighter, a fire extinguisher, a pair of safety gloves, a protective face shield, an external thermometer rated for a minimum of 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, and an adjustable wrench. Inside the box you will receive a parts list, an instruction manual with a link on how to set up and use your furnace, a pair of 17-inch tongs for your crucible, one stainless steel melting chamber with KO wool insulation, an air handler pipe, a propane regulator, an open and close valve, a rubber hose, a set of connection clamps, some plumber's tape, a fire brick, and a 5 kg crucible. It is best that you lay your parts out so that you can identify your parts, then follow the steps for assembly. Please do not attempt to assemble or use your furnace without having all parts. Take your plumber's tape and seal the connection point on your air handler pipe and also on the one end of the hose that has a connection point. Attach your open and close valve to your air handler pipe. You want to ensure that this connection is secure. You will then take the end of your rubber hose and slide a connection clamp through the hose. Then connect your rubber hose to the open-close valve. Push the rubber as far as you can, then tighten the connection clamp approximately 1/2 inch from the edge of the rubber hose. On the other end of your rubber hose, slide the other connection clamp through. Then connect your rubber hose to your propane regulator. Push the rubber as far as you can, then tighten the connector clamp approximately 1/2 inch from the edge of the rubber hose. Now take your stainless steel smelting chamber with KO wool insulation and locate the intake hole at the bottom portion of the chamber. You will find 3 screws that need to be loosened with your wrench. Loosen these screws to the point where you can insert the air handler pipe. Now, take your air handler pipe and insert into the intake hole of the chamber. Insert approximately 2 inches or until you see it is flush with where the pipe changes size. Secure your screw so that the pipe is snug. At the end of your air handler intake, you will see the butterfly screw and adjustable air intake coin. Unscrew your butterfly screw approximately 1.5 inches. Now you want to attach your propane regulator to your propane tank. Use your adjustable wrench to secure this connection. You are now ready to test if there are any leaks at your connection points. You can use soapy water or a glass cleaner spray bottle. Check that the fire brick is at the bottom of your inner chamber. Make sure there isn't any KO wool obstructing the air slot inside at the bottom of your inner chamber. Make sure valve is in the closed position perpendicular to the rubber hose before turning on your propane tank into the open position. Make sure your air handler pipe coin is open. Make sure chamber lid is open all of the way. With your propane tank open, slowly open your valve until it is open all of the way. You will hear gas flowing through. With your safety gear on, use your lighter and place inside of the chamber. With the combination of your air intake coin and your propane regulator, you will be able to achieve optimal flame and temperature for your furnace. Your propane regulator should be between 0.1 and 0.2. Your air intake coin can be adjusted accordingly to your desired temperature. Please have an external thermometer readily available. Place your
OK。
开始了，
这里没有红砖吗？
好，开始吧。
好了。
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos in the future, smash that subscribe and make sure to turn the notification bell on. For now, that's all I've got. And in all that you do, we want to help you beat yesterday.